So, let's talk about that first time you walk into a restaurant in another country and realize, wait, I have to order in English. Honestly, it's one of those moments that can make you sweat a bit, right?
Oh, totally. I remember sitting there, flipping through the menu, and just hoping I didn't accidentally ask for something weird. It feels like the simplest thing, but suddenly, ordering food becomes a language test.
And menus can be full of surprises, too. I've seen people freeze up just because they're not sure how to say a dish or they're worried they'll get the pronunciation wrong.
It's that fear of being misunderstood. But you know what helps? Just having a few key phrases ready to go, that can turn the whole experience from stressful to actually kind of fun.
All right, let's dig into those must-know phrases. You walk in, the server hands you the menu, what do you say?
Usually, I go with something like, "Could I see the menu, please?" if it hasn't been handed over. Or, "Once I'm ready, I'd like to order, please." It's polite and gets you started on the right foot.
And if you're not sure what's good, you could ask, what do you recommend? That's a favorite of mine, especially in places I've never been.
Absolutely. And it takes the pressure off picking something at random. Plus, it can open up a nice little conversation with the server. Sometimes they'll even share what's freshest or most popular that day.
Let's say you've made your choice, time to actually order. People sometimes get tripped up here, don't they?
They really do, but it's easier than it seems. You just say, "I'd like the chicken salad, please," or "Could I have the pasta?" Simple, direct, and friendly.
And if you want to make changes like, no onions or, can I get the dressing on the side? That's completely normal. Servers are used to those little tweaks.
Yeah, and you can always use "Could I have?" or "Can you?" to keep it polite. Even if you forget a word or two, people appreciate the effort.
That actually reminds me sometimes the menu is a mystery. You see a word you don't know or a dish you can't picture. What do you do then?
Honestly, I just ask. I'll say, "Could you tell me what this is?" People are almost always happy to explain, and it saves you from ordering something unexpected.
I love that curiosity. It turns the whole thing into a chance to learn, and you might even discover a new favorite food.
Exactly. And if you have dietary needs, don't hesitate to mention them. Saying, "I can't eat dairy," or "Is this gluten-free?" is totally normal.
Once you've enjoyed your meal, there's just one more step, the check. Any tips for handling that part smoothly in English?
Oh, for sure. When you're ready, just catch the server's eye and say, "Could I have the bill, please?" Or "Check, please." It's quick and universally understood.
And don't forget those little polite touches. Thank you so much. Or the food was great. That leaves a good impression and brings your meal to a nice close.
Exactly. And honestly, the more you practice these little exchanges, the easier and more enjoyable eating out becomes. Before you know it, you'll be ordering like a local.